The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, keyless start, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.